Today we are making prawn linguine in creamy rose sauce. Make sure you watch this till the end for an amazing recipe. For this recipe we need about 10 raw prawns, and this will bring to the dish a nice light fishy aroma, and we'll combine this with about a handful of ready cooked prawns, which will bring slightly different textures and flavor to the dish. The garlic and the onion are good friends with the prawns, so we'll add half tiny onion and about 2 cloves of garlic, or all depends how much you can take. Now this is kind of optional, but I really think that adding some sun-dried tomatoes to this pasta will bring it to a whole new level, but this is totally up to you. We need about 100 ml of tomato sauce per portion, and with the cream we're not gonna use it all, about 50 ml should do the job. When it comes to lemon, we only need a few drops of juice, and with the chives are kind of optional again, but they look nice as presentation point of view, plus they bring a nice light onion aroma. We'll need a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and obviously salt and pepper. Now before getting into prepping the ingredients, make sure you get some salty water on the heat, this will be for the pasta later on. Chop the onion as finely as you can, and with the garlic simply crush it. Now leave this on a side till we get into frying. Now if you've decided that you're adding sun-dried tomatoes to your pasta, chop this finely too, same goes with the chives. Set a pan on medium-high heat and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once the pan is hot enough, add the onion and the garlic. Now you want to cook the onion and the garlic until the onion becomes translucent. This shouldn't take longer than 4 to 5 minutes. Once we get into that point, we want to add the raw prawns and the chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and we are to cook the prawns for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they start becoming red. That means they are cooked pretty much all the way through. Now follow with the cooked prawns, and after that straight in with the tomato sauce, and make sure you add some seasoning, a good pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly grounded black pepper. Squeeze in a wedge of lemon, and after that give the sauce 1-2 minutes to simmer. Once this is completed, you can go in with the heavy cream. Bring the sauce back to simmering temperature, and after that stop the heat. Now let's move on to the pasta, which you need to make sure that is cooked al dente, and make sure that you keep some of that pasta water because we'll need it to adjust the sauce. Get the linguine pasta over the sauce, and I feel like the sauce is a bit too thick. That's when the pasta water comes into place. Now cook this for another 1 or 2 minutes or until the pasta has the chance to absorb some of those flavors. Before serving, add the chives. Now optionally but highly recommended, go with a good grate of Parmigiano Reggiano.